Friends, good morning. In this video, we learn about circular motion and centripetal force. First of all, circular motion. What is meant by circular motion? When the object which moves along a circular path, then it is called as circular motion. The motion of blades of fan around its own axis, the motion of moon around the earth, the motion of planet around the sun, the motion of electrons around the nucleus in an atom. These are some examples of circular motion. Now we discuss about centripetal force. What is meant by centripetal force? The force which acting towards the center of the circle or center of curvature is called as centripetal force. I explain centripetal force by taking one simple example. Suppose you tie one stone at the one end of string and hold another end of string in your hand and then rotate string in a circular path. Means this stone rotates in a circular path because you exert force on the stone, and this force is acting towards the center of the circle. That's why stone along with string is rotate in a circular path. In this case, the direction of centripetal force is towards the center of circle. But when we release the string, then force stops. In such condition, the direction of force is along a straight line or tangent to the position of stone. We also understand the centripetal force by taking another example. You know that Moon is the natural satellite of Earth. Moon rotates or revolve around the Earth in a circular orbit because Earth exerts force on the Moon, and this force is acting towards the center of the earth. But what will happen if earth does not exert force on the moon? Then moon will not revolve around the earth. Instead, it moves along a straight line because the direction of force is not towards the center of the earth. There is a great relation between centripetal force and circular motion. The object moves in a uniform circular motion only because of centripetal force. Means centripetal force is responsible for uniform circular motion. So, the another definition for centripetal force is that any net force causing circular motion, uniform circular motion, is also called as centripetal force. You know that all planets revolve around the sun in a circular orbit. This is only because of centripetal force. If centripetal force is more, then the radius of circle is less. And if the centripetal force is small, then the radius of circle is more. Friends,